Sugru, multi-purpose moldable glue. Looks and feels like Play-Doh and sticks permanently to lots of stuff. All you do is stick it, mold it, and in 24 hours, Sugru turns into a silicone rubber that stays stuck. Make your cables last longer. Fix all those broken toys. You can even fix your favorite ceramics. Sugru can handle extreme temperatures and is easy to emboss and texturize. Missing parts are easy to rebuild. You can mount all sorts of fittings in your kitchen or bathroom without using messy power tools. Sugru can hold up to 2 kilograms and is completely waterproof. Make handy hooks all around your home, so you can hang pretty much anything, anywhere. Old toys and broken plastics can be transformed into kids' hooks and amazing new toys. Customize your things and give them soft touch rubber grips. Sugru turns into strong and durable silicone rubber, so use it to protect your stuff and make things bouncy and shock resistant. Sugru is brilliant for creative projects. Perfect for fixing broken seals and broken zips. It will keep your feet warm and dry and do emergency DIY repairs. Fixing is good. Use Sugru and a little imagination to fix, make and reimagine your stuff.